Hey everyone, welcome back to SK Tech. If you're like me, you might find that Google News screen that pops up when you swipe left on your Android phone really annoying. Well, today I'm going to show you how to disable it for good. Alright, to get started, grab your phone and long press on any empty area of your home screen. This will bring up a menu where you can customize your home screen. Next, tap on the option that says Home Setting. Depending on your device, this might look a little different, but steps are pretty much the same across all Android devices. Now you should see a setting that says Google Discover or Google Newsfeed. Just go ahead and toggle that off, and it is done. No more annoying Google screen when you swipe left. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy way to get rid of that annoying Google News screen. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Thank you. Also, let me know in the comments if there is anything else you would like to learn. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.